Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And I'm off in to bring Bonnie into town and to get the front tire done. And I don't know if it'll be a long video, short video, whatever, but I'm doing it on my break, so we gotta go. So let's go. Okay, so I dropped Bonnie in. He has the front tire in already, and he should have it done this afternoon. So happy days. That'll be the front back tire is done. It'll be the bike fully serviced, and I've done the back brakes at the start of the year, and I'll probably do the front brakes, I'd say, in the first few months of the new year as well. But for this year, Bonnie will be completely sorted. So happy days. Just a note also, I didn't say it to Marcus. I was going to say it to him about a video, but he said it to me when he came in. He said, oh, I'm not into them videos or whatever. He said people could be fleecing the place or whatever as well, so I really understand that. So I won't be doing a video there, but you had the video from the last time anyway, when I was just showing the bits and pieces there. So that's as far as I'm going to get with this garage anyway. And look, you got to fully understand them as well. So for now, just waiting to get picked up and then get a lift back in later on and collect Bonnie. Hopefully today. If not, it's no big deal anyway. It's actually Baltic out. It's -3, feel of -3. Hopefully it warms up later on, but I have all my gear on anyway, so not too bad on the bike. Okay, so got the call, heading in to get Bonnie now. Daddy Joe is going to come out with me and he's going to drive my car back out. Just a little update before I go in and collect Bonnie. Name of the cafe I was in the last video. I was calling it Tioli, something like that, but it's completely wrong. So it's Choali. So it's the Irish word for cozy, which makes me love it even more now. So it's Choali, and that's the Irish for cozy. So go out there someday, have a lunch there, have a tea there, and enjoy the coziness. Now look, we have Daddy Joe on board. Say hello, Daddy Joe.
Hello! How are you going there?
Okay, so Bonnie's ready. We'll have a look at her now in a minute. We'll just go in and tie up the finances first and go pay for the tyre. So we'll do that now in a second. Okay, so front tyre is done now as well. As you can see, brand new. And it's a Bridgestone as well, same as the back. So we've got all new rubber on the front, all new rubber on the back. Back as well, that should be worn in anyway. And he was the same, the pinch bolt needed a bit of grease there as well. So happy days, and all done. So that's the front and back tire done, full service, back brakes, so she's all good to go now. Happy days. So let's bring her home. so just to finish off the video, won't be going for a spin this evening. It's like 0 to minus degrees out at the moment, and it's dark as well, so any black ice or anything like that is not worth the risk, especially with a new tyre. But I've some figures that I'm going to give you on what I've spent on Bonnie this year. I forgot about these actually. Done the rear brake pistons, so done the piston kit, obviously with massive help from Paddy. So that was €90, including delivery as well, so there's no labour costs. So then there was a full service a couple of months ago, and that was €100 for all the parts and stuff like that as well. And Paddy helped me with that massively. You can see the video. I'll put a link for the video up here, and you see all the maintenance videos. I have a playlist of them as well. But anyway, I'm going off track. So then the last one then was the 2 tires, so the front and the rear. So they were both Bridgestone Battle Axe as well. So the front one is a BT46F and the rear one is a BT46R. So the rear one cost 174, and that's including fitting as well. And then today the front one cost me 140, including fitting also, so 314 altogether. So all year I spent €544 on repairs and maintenance to the Bonneville. So it's quite extensive, and I'm really happy with it, ready to rock for 2024. It's like the pinnacle of where I want to go on the bike in Ireland is Achill Island. If I can make that happen next year, oh, it'll be unbelievable. We'll see what money allows that, and time as well. So we'll see, but Achill Island is the pinnacle where I want to go on a bike. I was there a couple of years ago in my car, just as I started biking actually, and the roads are just incredible. The footage would be unbelievable, and I didn't even have a YouTube channel back then, but I just remember being in the car going, oh, I want to be on a bike here. So hopefully I can make that happen, hopefully anyway. So yeah, that's it really on the repairs. 544 altogether. 2 new tyres, full service, piston kit on the back brakes, back brake pads, and then next year then be probably maybe March, April I would say, I will need front brakes. They're okay for now, but I'll get them done in the next couple of months as well. But for 2024, fingers crossed, I don't need to do anything else to Bonnie other than fill her up and motor away. So that's all from today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.